Well, it's a pretty cool night across the region, but more sunshine on tap for this week.
Kate has the next weather forecast, including the latest, very latest on Hurricane Ian.
That's right. Thanks, Yuki and Jessica. Today turned out to be a pretty nice day. It was warm. It was breezy. There were a couple of sprinkles that popped up here and there thanks to an upper low over the Great Lakes. But I'm sure what everyone is wondering is Ian going to impact us? It was just last year that we were impacted by a barrage of tropical systems. Of course, we had Elsa, we had Henri, and of course, who can forget Ida, our last I system. As of now, it does not look like Ian is going to produce any of those kind of impacts for our area. However, we'll take a closer look as we get through the forecast. We'll start off with right now, 69 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour. Right now, the dew point is about 50. Not bad. And here's what's next for the week. It does turn progressively cooler. Today, actually the warmest day of the week. We're going to be seeing highs in the 60s starting on Wednesday, feeling like fall, but a dry stretch ahead at least until Ian starts to head north. Here's the upper low I just talked about. What I mean by an upper low, it's an area of low pressure, basically just a cold pool of air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, sitting and kind of spinning here over the Great Lakes. It did bring a couple of showers, mainly just some sprinkles into the area earlier today. There are a couple of sprinkles even right now trying to fire up in South Jersey. Not much of anything at all. But it's going to turn progressively cooler as that low starts to move away. Right now, it's still near 70 in Philadelphia. It's a little cooler in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos, 50s and 60s. 60s a little further to the south in South Jersey. For most of us tonight, it does stay dry, partly cloudy, comfortable with a low of 57. And tomorrow is a perfect fall day, 73 degrees, sunny, breezy, and pleasant. But notice as we head toward the end of the week and the weekend, precipitation chances are going to ramp up. And that, of course, is thanks to Ian. Here's the latest. Hurricane Ian is a Category 2. You can see that well-defined eye just starting to take shape here just south of Cuba. This is going to continue to strengthen as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, as we know. So how about for us? Well, there are a couple things impacting the kind of impact that it's going to have in our area. The first is it's got a slow forward movement. Ian is going to slowly move inland. It's going to weaken as it moves northward, and that is good news for us. Showers do progress to the north and northeast. The greatest chance for us is late Saturday into Sunday, especially the southernmost part of the region. And the wild card is this big, large Canadian high that's going to try to slide in over the weekend. That could shunt some of the moisture offshore. Here's what that looks like. Here comes Ian coming on shore right around Tampa. The moisture starts to lift northward, but then notice this big blocking high moves in, and watch what happens. A lot of that moisture goes out to sea. There will be the chance for some rain, especially in our southernmost zones, but this high could help push it a little further out to sea. Now, that being said, we're still 5-6 days away. The storm has not even made it into the Gulf yet, so there's still a lot that could change, a very fluid, evolving forecast, but we'll be looking at least some shower chances from Ian Sunday into Monday, possibly even Saturday, well off to the south. Until then, though, we've got a great stretch of fall weather right through Friday. Yuki and Jessica, back to you.
Okay. Thank you, Kate.